Have you ever bitten into a tomato so juicy and fresh that you wonder, why can't store-bought one taste like this? Well, here's the secret. It can't, because there is no comparison to homegrown tomato. Regardless of whether you got a big house or a tiny apartment with just a sunny balcony, you can grow your own. Today, I'll show you step by step precisely how to grow tomatoes at home, even in pots or container. So, if you have ever dreamed of picking your own little red jewels, stay tuned. Picture this. It's early morning. You step out onto your balcony. The air is still cool, and the scent of tomato leaves in the air. You reach out and twist a ripe red tomato right off the vine, warm from the sun. It's the sweetest thing you ever tasted. That can be your morning just a few weeks from now. Section 1. Picking the right variety. First thing first, choosing the right type of tomato for your space. Not all tomatoes are created equally. If you're growing in a containers, look for determined or bush varieties. They are compact and don't sprout like wild jungle vines. Some great opinions or options are Tiny Tim, perfect for window sills or small pots. Plateau Princess, perform well in pots and give you a high yield. Cherry tomatoes like Sweet 100 or Sun Gold, very sweet, colorful, and easy to care for. You don't need acres of land. A single 5-gallon pot or deep container will do. Section 2. Setting up your pot or container. Now, let's talk setup. Make sure your pot has drainage holes. Tomatoes don't like wet feet. And a layer of broken pot pieces or small petals at the bottom. Then fill it with well-draining potting mix. You can even mix in some compost or organic fertilizers to give your tomato plants a nutrient boost. Good soil is the secret to excellent tomatoes. Section 3. Planting. Here's a little trick that most beginners don't know. When you are planting your tomato seedling, plant it deep. Deeper than you might think. Tomatoes can develop roots along their buried stems, which make them stronger or more drought tolerant. So, remove the lower leaves and plant it so that only a few inches of stem show above the soil. This will give your plant strength and stability. Section 4. Light and water. Tomatoes love sunlight. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every day. If you're growing indoor, place them near a bright window or use grow lights. Water deeply, but not too often. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Overwatering can cause root to rot or split your fruits. A simple rule: water less often, but water deeply. That encourages deep roots and more healthy plants. Section 5. Feeding your plants. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. They reward you if you feed them well. Use an organic tomato fertilizers every other week before the flowers set. For a do-it-yourself touch, add a little compost tea or banana peel water to your watering routine. These add potassium and calcium, critical for healthy fruits and to prevent blossom and roots. Section 6. Support and maintenance. Even compact tomato plants appreciate a little support. Place a stake, cage, or trellis in early, so you won't have to disturb the roots later. As the plants grow, prune off the suckers, those small shoots that grow between the main stem and branches. They steal energy from fruiting, keeping the plant nicely groomed. Direct off the plant's energy into growing those delicious red tomatoes. Section 7. Pollination and harvesting. You might need to help with pollination if you are growing indoors. Just gently shake the flowers or brush pollen from flower to flower with a small paintbrush. As fruit starts to grow, watch how it transforms from green to red, orange, or yellow depending on your variety. When they are fully colored and soft to the touch, they are ready. Harvest by gently twisting and prepare for your first bite of sunlight. You'll be amazed at the transformation. One day, it's just a pot of soil. A few weeks later, you're watching tiny green fruits develop and then ripe into something bright, living and edible. It's not only gardening, it's a reminder that life does well when you give it patience and care. And that's it. Your step-by-step guide to tomato growing in pots or containers. Perfect for balcony and apartment living. If you enjoy this and wish to see more easy gardening tutorials, just like this one, and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Join our urban gardening community and let's continue growing together, one tomato at a time.